Okay, so this is the second part of that video. The installation was taking too long, so I had to cut the video into two parts. Okay, so what we left off was installing the needed component for this project through the pip install -r and requirements.txt file. So now I have the environment set correctly. So now we need to remember I stopped configuring of the run because it does not have the framework installed in the environment in the sandbox. So now I just did it. So now I come over here to click the add configuration and then click the plus sign. We'll pick the Django server profile and then as I said before, you don't need to just take the default, which is unnamed. I prefer to actually have the name explicitly. So passport. So I call it run passport. Okay, so you can just leave all these. You see that the errors are gone because the sandbox Python already have the Django installed. So once we did this, you just click OK. Now you have that installed. Okay, now we can run this actually right now. So we're gonna run the run passport and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Now it says it couldn't find the pillow. Right, remember we failed, and now let me try if I can install this. The regular pip install failed. Maybe the PyCharm is smart enough to do this. So let's go through the install this in PyCharm. Use PyCharm's ability and click at this and click on the setting. And this is actually a good way to see how do you do this manually through PyCharm. Okay, so we click the project passport, right? And remember we had the sandbox Python, and this is what has been installed because the script install failed on pillow. So I'm gonna try to do the pillow in here. Okay, so what you do is add a pillow here, is click on the plus sign and then type in pillow here. Okay, see if you can find it. Okay, so it finds the pillow. All right, so I'll click the install package. I have a feeling this will not work because the pill is the one that actually works for Windows, but we will try. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, for whatever reason my machine is very the network's slow or something. Okay, it actually worked. So it actually installed. That's good. So apparently the PyCharm has a better way to do this than the straight Django pip install. So anyway, by the way, these two, the reason it's there is because I ran this manually. You actually can click this, it install for you, and so you wouldn't have to run the command I had before. And the only reason I did it, the pip install command, I did it is because I want to show the folks, the only reason I do this way, I want to show you how actually in the command line how do you do it. I could have just done click install. It does that for you because PyCharm knows once you have a requirements.txt file, you can actually, it will help you in the install as well. Okay, but regardless, I have the I have the pillow installed. Okay, so I'm going to try to run it again. Okay, so now it went through. It's starting it. So if I click here, all right. So now I have the project up running. Now remember, I send you the username is admin. The password is AVTEFTech, right? 1 2 3. So just to make sure, I'm putting here. Okay. It's in the email. It was in the email I send you, but it would be like it's the admin, and the password is avtech123. Okay, so now you can log in, right? Well, anyway, this is not. So now you go back to what was. Remember what I was showing you yesterday. So you have these are the things, right? So you can have change password and all these things. Okay, and then log out. So that's what I was showing you yesterday. So this concludes the video for the how to set up how to get the repo Passport project repository and then set it up in the PyCharm so you can at least get going and run this. Okay, one walk away is I did not install Git, which is the PyCharm integration to GitHub, and that's why I download as a zip file and then I unzipped it and then used PyCharm to open it explicitly. And this is a better way to do it for now, and I will talk about in the class, and how do you do this seamlessly to with the Git install on your Windows machine, and then you can go out get the Git file directly within the PyCharm. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the class. Okay.